Hello guys, welcome back. In part 1 and 2 of this video series, I talked about symbol selectors and pseudo selectors. In this final part, I want to talk about CSS combinators. So, in the previous two videos, I showed you this infographic. We have so far covered symbol selectors and pseudo selectors. In today's video, we will be covering the combinators. There are four types of combinators in CSS. The Descendant Combinator, which is just a space character. The Child Combinator, which is the greater than symbol. The General Sibling Combinator, which is the tilde symbol. And finally, the Adjacent Sibling Combinator, which is just the plus sign. With that being said, let's jump straight to the code. Welcome back. So we have this div here with the two paragraphs inside and a section tag which also contains a paragraph. We also have three more paragraphs outside the div. On the styles, I'll first use the Descendant Combinator to style all paragraphs inside the div. You can see that all paragraphs inside the div has turned red. This includes the paragraph inside the section. Now, let me change Descendant Combinator, which is just space, to Child Combinator. You can see that only the dir children of div has changed color. The div inside the section tag does not change. So that is the difference between Descendant Combinator and Child Combinator. If you want to select every element of a particular type inside a specific element, then use Descendant Combinator. If you want to select only the dir children, then use Child Combinator. Descendant Combinator can also be used to increase specificity. To demonstrate that, I will change the color of all paragraphs to red. Then I will use the Descendant Combinator to change the color of paragraphs inside the div to blue. You can see that the paragraphs inside the div has turned blue. That's because this is more specific compared to this. Now let's talk about general and adjacent sibling combinators. General sibling combinator is used to select all elements that comes after a specific element. I will select all paragraphs that comes after a div and apply color red. You can see that every paragraph that came after the div has been selected. The adjacent sibling combinator, on the other hand, selects the element that comes just after a specific element. You can see that only the paragraph that is adjacent to the div has been selected. And that's about it. Like, share and subscribe. God safe.